Hello guys, this is Jasper Ugiagbe. So for those of you who don't know me, I talk about ways on how you can make money on this my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about the importance of affiliate marketing. If you are still watching this video, that means that you need to learn and know the importance of affiliate marketing. So how I do my affiliate marketing is very different from what other people are doing. There's people who is doing affiliate marketing. They will go and like promote a product like creating ad and run all those companies that they are trying to promote as an affiliate marketer on Google or on other platform, and that is how they are making money. But my own way of promoting affiliate program is different. How I promote affiliate programs is, first thing I have to do is to create my own website. So that is what I usually do. I create a website, and through this my own website, I will now start reviewing and promoting all those affiliate programs that I have joined, that I want to start promoting and make money from. So I hope you understand the differences between other people and me. So that is how I'm promoting affiliate programs. So the one thing I usually do before I start promoting affiliate program is to look into this product. I review it myself to see if this affiliate product I'm trying to promote is going to make me money, is going to bring something to me. And I need to do research too about this affiliate program to see how people are searching for this affiliate program, which is keyword research. I do the keywords research, and when I am done with the keyword researching, then I have to see this website, to see the demand on this website, to see if people are really looking for this website, if people are in need of this website. It's very important to understand that before you promote any affiliate program, you need to see if people are demanding for this product. It doesn't matter if this product is a good product, if it's important or not. This is counting when it comes to affiliate program. What is counting is people looking for this product. Are people searching for this kind of product on Google? Is people trying to looking for this kind of product to solve their problem? And other thing you need to understand when it comes to affiliate programs or affiliate product that you're trying to promote is you need to see if this product, people are looking for this product to solve their problem. So, and three, you need to make sure that this affiliate program that you are trying to promote, it need to be solving people problem. So if that affiliate program is able to solve people problem, then you're on the right track. If it's solving people problem, then you need to search for these people, look for these people that is solving their problem, so that you can promote and target those kind of people, so that when they search for this kind of product on Google, then this your blog will display. Then they will go read through that your blog, and they might click on that your affiliate program that you are promoting on that your blog. So that is how I'm promoting affiliate program. First, like what I said, I create a website, then I will review the affiliate program that I'm promoting on that my website on Google. First, what I usually do, I will do keyword research. Once I'm done with the keyword research, then I will go and see how people are searching for this kind of product. Are people looking for this kind of product? Then if I'm able to get details and get data about that, how people are looking for this product, the type of people that is looking for this kind of affiliate programs, then I can now move to the step where I'm going to write articles about this write a blog about this website, about this affiliate program, and in return I will make money. Let me see, they read that article, they find it useful, then they click on they click on the affiliate link. In return of doing that, maybe when they click on it, they go to the website, they find it that okay, this is the website that they are looking for, they buy these services, I will make money at the end of the purchase. So that is how it works. It might be 20%, 10%, 5%. It depends on the amount the company that you are promoting is willing to pay you as a publisher, which is affiliate, which is the person that is promoting their product. So now that you understand this, so the second thing you need to know, the important second things you need to put in mind is that you need to promote a product that have a recurring commission. So those are the kind of products that is very important to promote. Affiliate, when it comes to affiliate programs, you need to promote a product that have a recurring commission. So I know you'll be asking me, but what is a recurring commission? A recurring commission is a product that you promote every single month. You will be making money as long as this client that you send to this company is still engaged on this website or these services that you promoted, and they buy it every single month. They are paying monthly services. You are going to be getting paid. Let me say monthly subscription. You are going to be getting percentage from that monthly subscription that this company have engaged themselves, or this person have engaged themselves into through that your affiliate link. So that is what you need to understand. That is what I'm trying to talk about when it comes to recurring commission website. One of the recurring commission website that I usually promote, that I'm promoting till now, is Jasper.ai. you can go and start promoting Jasper.ai. Is a SEO tool software that allows you to write a blog, generate articles in just one click. You will be able to start generating article for your blog, for anything you want to write about. So this is a good company you can start promoting as a recurring commission affiliate program. So that's a cool website too. They have other bunch of websites too that you can go. I'll leave some of them in the description below. Check it out and you can see too. And I usually use the platform I'm using to promote my affiliate program. Like I'm using Impact, I'm using a CJ, which is Commission Junction, and other affiliate program that I will still leave in the description below. So that's it, guys. And the last part of this video, one thing you need to do before you start promoting all those affiliate programs, you need to see how you can send traffic to this program. So that is one of the most important things. It's not about writing a blog. It's not about picking all those kind of products I just said. But the important thing of affiliate program is how can you drive traffic to your affiliate product. So that is one of the most important thing. Like I said from the beginning, most people run ad. They run ad on the affiliate program, which is when you are running ad in some of the affiliate programs, the owners affiliate program, they are not allowing you to run ad because them are already running ad on Google. So how can you not start running? You are running ad, they are running ad. There will be a competition between you and them. So some of those websites, they don't allow you to run ad. They want you to use organic traffic, which is like Google search engine, like creating a blog. Like I said, you create a blog and you go and write a blog about this website that you're trying to promote on your website. And like if you remember what I said on this video, I talk about doing keyword research. Go and see what people are searching for with that, or according to the product that you want to promote. Go and see what people are really searching for. Let me say you are promoting a SEO tools like Software SEO. Software SEO is a tool that allows you to rank at the top of Google. Let me say you are promoting a tool like this. You are going to go and write Software SEO review. That will be the keyword you want to rank for. You go and rank for this keyword, Software SEO review. See what other people have write about this Software SEO review about, so that you can get idea of what you can write. So what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to make sure that you create a lifetime passive income online. So I'm not just explaining this for you to go and like talk about a very simple thing like you make money and 1 month, 2 months, that is just it. They will lock everything and you will not be able to you continue making money. So what I'm trying to do here, if you understand what I'm trying to say here, is that you are promoting this product and you are going to be making money for life. As long as this person that you send to this website engage on this company, you are still going to be making money, which is the monthly subscription that you are going to be paying. You are going to be getting a share from that company. So Software SEO, Jasper, all those tools is a good tool that you can start promoting, which is softwares that you can start promoting, and in return you will be making passive income every single month, almost 30 to 40% commission at the end of the month. So that is what I want you to focus on. Like what I said, focus on products that will be paying you passive income for life, because I don't just want you to make money today, tomorrow, and that is just it. You will stop and you will not be able to move on again. So I want this business to move on for you. That is why I said first thing you need to do, you need to create your website. So once you have your website, then you can start going to look for affiliate program that you can start reviewing, promoting on that your website, and in return you'll be making money. So that is everything I need to talk about on this video. So if you find it helpful, find it useful, so all I just want from you is to hit that like button, subscribe, let me know what you think about the video that I just talked about, and I will see you soon on my next video. But if you want to learn how you can write a blog in a very simple way, you can watch this full video that will pop up right now, so that you learn how you can write a blog post. I will see you on my next video.